Sometimes, the world feels heavy, like every problem is on your shoulders, like every disappointment is shouting your name. You try to fix things, to control what cannot be controlled, and your heart becomes restless. But what if the real strength is in silence, in surrender, in stepping back, and letting Allah handle what is beyond your reach? Life will test you. People will hurt you. Circumstances will seem unfair. You will pray, you will hope, and you will worry. You will want to speak, to argue, to justify, to prove yourself. But in these moments, silence can be more powerful than any words. Silence allows your heart to breathe. Silence allows Allah to work without interference. Silence is not weakness. It is trust, patience, and faith in the unseen. Think about the times you felt defeated. You rushed, you forced, you tried to control outcomes. Did it work? Or did it only make your heart heavier? When you stay silent and step back, you create space for divine guidance. You allow solutions to appear naturally, doors to open without struggle, and clarity to come to your mind and heart. Trust that Allah sees what you cannot see. Trust that He knows the path better than you. In your daily life, silence can feel uncomfortable. When someone wrongs you, resist the urge to retaliate. When your efforts fail, resist despair. When your heart is broken, resist bitterness. Instead, breathe, pray, and let your heart speak to Allah alone. Words can fade. Silence builds resilience. Silence nurtures humility. Silence transforms pain into wisdom. You are not alone in your struggles. Every human faces trials, disappointments, and moments of doubt. But those who surrender, who stay silent and let Allah guide their steps, find peace that no chaos can shake. Life does not always reward immediate action. Sometimes, the reward is patience, the growth unseen, the blessing hidden. Your silence is not emptiness. It is preparation, protection, and alignment with a higher wisdom. Imagine a life where you respond with calm, not anger. A life where you trust, not force. A life where your heart rests, not worries endlessly. This is the life that comes when you let Allah handle your battles, your fears, your pain. You will find doors opening that you never knocked on. You will find solutions appearing without effort. You will find your heart lighter and your mind clearer. So today, choose silence when you are tempted to speak in anger. Choose patience when your heart urges you to rush. Choose trust when uncertainty surrounds you. Speak only when your words carry purpose, love, and wisdom. Pray often. Reflect deeply. And remember, Allah is managing the unseen. He is arranging what is best for you, even when you cannot see it. Your trials are not punishments. They are steps towards your growth. Your silence is not weakness. It is faith in motion. Your patience is not empty waiting. It is the seed that will blossom into blessings beyond imagination. Let go, and let Allah handle what you cannot handle. Watch how your life shifts quietly, powerfully, and beautifully. If this message touched your heart, remember to like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe to join a journey of faith, reflection, and inner peace. Stay silent, trust deeply, and watch the transformation unfold.